Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're looking at a Brother MFC-8890. We're going to show you how to replace the drum and reset the drum counter. So it's a pretty simple process. If you've been getting a replace drum warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to open the front door, and then you're going to remove the toner and drum. They're going to come out together in one piece. And then on the side of the drum, you'll see that there's a little blue tab. You're going to push down that little blue tab and then lift and separate the toner from the drum. We'll set our old drum off to the side here. And then we're going to get our new Onyx brand drum. Inside of every Onyx brand drum there are written instructions to help you in case you have any questions along the way. Okay, so now we have our new drum. We're going to reinstall our toner back into the drum. We'll set it back in there, and as it rotates down, you kind of feel it click back into place. And then once you've done that, you'll notice there's a little blue tab at the top of the drum. You're going to take that little blue tab and slide it back and forth across the full length of the drum about 2 or 3 times, making sure that you put it back to where it started. There should be 2 little arrows pointing at each other. Once you've done that, we're going to reinstall the toner and drum back into the printer, making sure that it's pressed all the way back into place. And we're going to leave the front door open. And with the front door open, you're going to push the clear back button. And when you push the clear back button, it'll ask you replace drum. You press 1, and it says accepted on the screen. That means you officially reset your drum counter. We're going to close that front door, and just like that, you'll be back up and printing. You've replaced and reset your drum.